Okay guys, am I proud of this? No. So this horrid mess is where this is all my crafting stuff, guys. I mean, this is disgusting. I just have lost control because I have too much stuff. Oh yeah, guys, this is all this crap. So this is what we will be organizing. I mean, it's horrendous. Look, oh my gosh, it's horrible. I don't even know what I have. So I've decided I have to finish this before I can do any of my Christmas stuff because I don't know what's in here. So I just wanted to show you guys, and let's get cleaning. Okay guys, this is the next kind of step in our process here. Yes. So here is my shelf. So I cleared everything out, and now I will start getting on to organizing it. So actually, I was thinking, do I want to paint? And I really do want to paint, but I'm gonna be honest, like, it's gonna take a while, and I just want to get organized and so done being unorganized. So I'll probably put it all in here, and then one day, eventually, yeah, paint it. But for right now, I am going to be organizing. Okay guys, so these are going to be 2 videos attached, and the previous video is what my laundry slash craft room slash storage room looked like before, and it was a mess, and it's still a mess, but at least it's an organized mess now. So I have the top shelf here, and my husband built these shelves. I know it looks like it's a mess, guys, but it's organized in some way. So I have, like, my niece's, all of her slime stuff. This is all of my stuff for gift bags that I'm ready to, like, all my gifts that need to go to sent out. So definitely I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways to get rid of those. This first little plastic bag, that's from the Dollar Tree. I love those, and that has, like, all my party supplies. And then this one right here is, sorry. My son just came walking in my laundry room. So here is, this is just like not Christmas stuff, but just birthday stuff and all that, that can, gift bags and tissue paper. This is a lot of my Cricut stuff, but oh, there's so much more in the garage. Down here is just a little bin of the Christmas stuff I use all the time. This just has paper and stuff in it. Obviously we got a cross. There's some stencils. There's my pens and markers. This right here has, like, my remnants of fabric. And this right here has my stamps and stuff for stamping and ink pads and all that. Then we move down. My Cricut mats are over there. Then we move over here to ribbon and stuff. This is just like wood stuff, like the dowels and stuff like that. Down here is embellishments that I have, like little beads and stuff. Up here is like all my mailing packages. Again, I know that it doesn't look organized, guys, but I have worked my butt off, and so I just need more room again. So guys, I have 4 of those. So if you watch tomorrow, I will be doing a giveaway because I've had those for months. Literally could not find them because they were in bags in my garage. So right here is all of my books, stuff like that. We have another down here, more books and items. Over here is just a couple empty bins that I like, and so I wanted to keep. I have a whole lot of empty bins now. Over here, this is like my glues and tapes and my paints and glitters. Right here is like my cut papers and stuff. Right here, I just kind of established that as like my, what am I thinking? It's just like my random stuff there, and there is like my random stuff. Those shelves right there, we're redoing my son's room, so we will be putting those in there. Right here is just more papers and random stuff. Stickers. This is like my personal stuff, like my hair stuff and all that that doesn't fit into my bathroom. Paintbrushes, and behind that is more books. This is more ribbons and stuff. This is holidays items, and this is all kinds of shirts and blankets and totes and everything else that I have that are Cricut related, so that I know where all of that is. So I know it doesn't look organized right now, guys, but if you watched, actually it's the same video, I'm going to link them together, it's a lot better. So here is this. So this will be like my video for today, and then we will be showing you what we're doing to my son's room. So I hope everyone has a great day. Today is the Monday, and I'm off work, thank goodness, and this is what I have been doing all day. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.